Hey guys! Cheryl Aniyahan here. I want to show you today how to cook chicken kebab using my 12-inch gourmet skillet. Now, when you receive it, it doesn't come with a lid, but the lid of the electric skillet, if you have it, fits perfectly in here. So there's actually 3 sizes for the skillets. There's 8-inch, 10-inch, and a 12-inch gourmet skillet. So what you need to do is to put it on medium heat. So this cookware works in any kind of stove, gas, electric, and induction. When the temperature is ready, when the cookware is ready, then I'll put the chicken kebab. So for the kebab, I just put onion, capsicum, different colors, chicken, mushroom, and zucchini. Time to do the water test. You see the water dancing, meaning it's ready. I'll put a little bit of olive oil. I'll turn down the heat a little bit. And now it's time to put our kebabs. And I want to cover so that I can cook it quickly and evenly, because it's like a semi-pressure cooker. So it cooks it from the bottom up to the side to the top, same temperature. Okay, let's see after about 5 minutes. This is how it looks like. And time to rotate our kebab. And cover it again for another 5 to 7 minutes. And this is our kebab. You can keep it a bit open to make it a little bit dry. I'll probably leave it for about 2 minutes. Like this, a bit open. This is how it looks like. Ta-da! Don't worry about the cleaning. Just put hot water after. Leave it for 10 minutes and it will come off easily. So it's done. Thanks for watching! And if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Bye!